Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, May 7th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. First, a little bit of good news. I am going live today with Traderify, as my account is set up, so I'll be trading that live. Again, one of the best, I believe, prop firms out there as far as how quick they are to respond to you, any questions you have, and their payout system. So, again, my videos have their link on it if you have any interest. Thank you. Now, we've had a pretty big overnight session. Look at this. Overnight low, just missed yesterday's lows. Overnight highs, way above yesterday's high. Remember, if we take out yesterday's high, right back to balance. Right now I have the daily down. And then they settled in the excess from yesterday in F period, 21 wide in ES. NQ, same thing. Not as close to yesterday's low, but pushed down pretty good. Way above the overnight yesterday's high. And now settled in with a 20 wide overnight POC in the excess from yesterday. Remember, I will trade today as a normal day up until 2 o'clock. I'm not sure what it's going to give us prior to that. Okay, we have had trend days prior to the Fed. Now, a lot of times they don't hold before 2 o'clock, but I have seen some hold. But again, just trade what's in front of you from 9:30 to 2. Then the game changes, right? Righty also, look at that. Push down and now wide overnight POC. Remember, look at this. ES is open and tick is the low of the overnight. Let's see if NQ is. Not quite, but almost. So we had a strong open and drive in the overnight. That has held, right? So we're going to see if it does. Right now we're going to, again, there's 90 minutes to go, but we'll see if we do open with higher value and potentially indices in favor of the bulls. Remains to be seen. As far as the game plan, well, for sure, bears are going to want to defend yesterday's highs, right? Because we have the daily down. So that's your hump level, 71.75 in ES, 26.50 in NQ. Those are the levels that the bears are going to want to defend. The bulls, I think the bulls, because they've spent so much time inside of the sell tail and above value high, want to defend value high. Okay, so in ES's case, that's 52 and a quarter. And in NQ's case, it's about 954.50. Those are two very early levels to defend. Okay. Again, whether we take out yesterday's high or not, I think we're still going to get a lot of chop prior to 2 o'clock. All right. I don't think we're going to run away from below yesterday's lows prior, and I don't think if we take out yesterday's high, we're going to go running up to say May 2nd's high. I don't think that you're going to see that prior to 2 o'clock. So again, let the MGI guide you. It could also be a day where the MGI changes throughout the day prior to 2 o'clock. The overnight right now is what? It's long, 90-somewhat% long. However, a lot of that can be what? Short covering from the last couple of days. So keep that in mind, okay? And then chart-wise, so again, if we take out yesterday's high, it would start, including today, a 5-day balance. All right? If we take it out. We have to take it out. We have not yet. 2 days in a row here. Look at these little reverse hammers. Not the most positive. So it would be a good thing for the bulls to put the daily back to balance, stay above the 50, and continue this below 200, above 50 until they get maybe more ammo to go higher. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.